guys, I'm Crystal.
And I'm Lindsay.
And welcome to our world.
Today we will be taste testing different flavors of Brownie Brittle made by Shiela G. The first flavor we're going to do is chocolate chip Brownie Brittle. I have had these before, but my sister's never had them.
I haven't even heard of it before.
And these are like the original flavor, so we're going to taste these first. Let us know down in the comments if you've ever had any different flavors that we're not going to show today. These are the only flavors that we found. It looks like this, like a very thin brownie. It's crispy, like a cookie.
That's really crispy. I'm one like, I love brownies, but I like the middle part.
Yeah, she always hogs the middle.
I feel like these are for like the edge people, right?
So now that you've tasted the original flavor, what would you rate it?
I think maybe a 3. Because it's a personal preference. I'm really not like, I don't like crispy stuff. And this is very crispy. So if you like crispy, then you'll love this.
I think, because these are my favorite, so I give it a 5. The chocolate chip is my favorite.
I feel like I need some milk to dump it, like, to make it softer.
Are you ready for the next flavor? Okay. The next flavor is salted caramel. And these are all made by Shiela G, not sponsored. Can you smell it?
That's not good. I like caramel.
And this is salted caramel. This is how they look. These are good if you like the sweet and salty combination.
Can't taste their caramel though. I think I like that one better than the
Those are
chocolate chip.
almost as good as the other ones for me. I give that a 4.5. What do you rate it?
Give it a 4.
Okay. The third flavor that we're going to taste will be caramel apple. These are a limited time flavor. I've never had these. I've only had the first 2, so this is going to be new for me too.
Ooh.
That really tastes like an apple.
That smells like a...
These are a little thicker, so it might not be too crispy this time. They're still kind of crispy.
Oh. It's better though. It's a better crisp.
This is like an actual cookie rather than a brittle.
It's like a blonde brownie.
I'm not a huge fan of apple, especially apple and cinnamon. So I think it's going to be a 2 for me.
These are so good. I love these.
What do you rate them? Okay.
5 for sure. It would be so much better if I had milk.
The next flavor, our last flavor, is also a limited edition flavor, and it is gingerbread Brownie Brittle. I've never had this one either, so this is going to be new for me also. That does smell like a gingerbread.
Yeah.
So it's probably going to taste like a ginger snap. Oh, these are quite thick as well compared to the first 2 flavors.
Yeah. Ginger snap.
Good.
These are so good. I'd give it a 5.
I think I would give these a 5 too. They are really good.
Yeah. See how thick those are?
Definitely a good holiday flavor. If they bring these back, I definitely could see myself having these with some hot cocoa.
Yep. These are a good kind of crisp.
Wonderful.
Those other ones, those were too crispy for me. These are perfect. I'll give it a 5 for sure. Did I already say that?
Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe.
So you can be part of our world too.
Bye.
Bye.